Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Dave Adams. This is my course HTML and CSS for novices. In this video, we're going to tackle HTML comments. We're going to look at their functions and their importance. You're also welcome to like, subscribe, and share as it helps with the algorithm and it helps these videos reach a wider audience. HTML comments are not displayed in the browser. So when you're in Visual Studio Code or your code editor, you can see the comments, but the browser doesn't display these comments. Comments are added by the following syntax. So you have a left-angled bracket, an exclamation, 2 dashes, and then your comment goes in between that. And so we have an opening tag for the comment and a closing tag for the comment as well. The comment goes in between. Comments are important because they ultimately help in documentation of source code. So there might be a situation where you're collaborating with other people, or there might be a situation where other people will also work on the project, or you want to show or teach other people about your project. This is just a good situation for HTML comments or comments in general. It helps show where everything goes. It helps you document and gives a clear structure of where everything goes, basically. Comments can be used to hide content, and comments are also used to debug HTML code. These 2 points are kind of similar in the sense that when you have bugs in your HTML code, you may want to comment them out individually to see which line exactly is giving you your errors. And so sometimes you may want to hide some content just to see how the browser displays stuff, or how the page may look without that content, or you may want to find bugs to fix within your code. Now we're going to go straight into Visual Studio Code to get some practice to see how comments work. Now looking at the code from the previous video, which was on HTML quotations, let's change the title first of all to comments. But today we are not really going to clear stuff. So the shortcut for commenting in Visual Studio Code is Control and /. So for this example, we're going to use the comment as a title to segregate the various sections or elements. So you can have our paragraph. There's a comment. I'm going to copy this and then go to the second paragraph, and I'm going to say second paragraph right here. So first paragraph at the top, second paragraph at the bottom. So what this does is anyone who's going to go to the code who doesn't really know the direction within the code can just look at these comments and know that the first paragraph is right underneath the first comment, and the second paragraph goes right underneath the second comment as well. Now, when it comes to commenting out stuff just to hide content, what we can do is to go straight into the browser. We have an example of the paragraph and the block quotes. Let's say you want to hide the block quotes, right? So we're going to highlight what we want to comment out and then hit Control +/. Now when we comment that, you can see that the block quotes is gone. When we go back into Visual Studio Code and undo what we did, you can see that it is right here. So that's how commenting works when you want to hide content. Now, when you want to carefully debug stuff, you may want to comment out stuff one line at a time. So probably something isn't displaying well. You go into your browser, you inspect whatever isn't displaying well. Let's say this isn't displaying well as it should. So you locate it, you comment it out. Now it isn't there anymore. So you know maybe it's that particular line that's not displaying well. When you find out is that line, you can end there, try to fix the problem. If it's not the line, that particular line, you can go on to the next line and so on and so forth. So basically, that's how comments work. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and share. In the next video, we're going to do HTML colors. Thank you.